Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this is going to be a new series of podcasts wherein I'll be talking to you and you'll be understanding the things which led me in losing my weight over 25 kgs at just home, making some really simple changes, not ever attending any gym, and doing exercise every day. So, what was helping me in doing that, I'll be sharing through this series of podcasts, and I'll be uploading a podcast every day. Make sure to check them out, and that will be mostly every day and before 10 a.m. So make sure to check them out. So in this podcast, I just want to answer this first question. Whenever I meet someone, or what I used to think when I was overweight was. That I was overweight because I didn't have time to exercise, and I was overweight because I ate a lot of sweets, and I was overweight because I was very much lazy and I was not, keen on losing weight and every such stuff. But the thing is, through all these statements, I was also putting that thought that I can do something about it, and I was not taking the responsibility. I was just putting the blame on something or the other. If I'm not exercising, like, why am I not exercising? The simplest answer me or anyone out there will be saying, like, I don't have time for exercise. Seriously, we don't have time for exercise, or we are not simply making that. We have to make time out for the things which we want to happen in our life. Things won't happen just like that. We have to prioritize things, and if they mean so much for us, it's not okay to keep it off for so long time, is it? See, if that's something which is mongering in your mind, that like you have to lose weight since a long period of time, but still you're not doing anything about that, it's not good for just for your physical health, but also for your mental health. Because unknowingly you're just even me, including me, I was just falling in my own eyes. So my confidence was low, my belief on myself was very much low, the way I projected myself was very low. So all these things happen in a domino effect kind of thing. So they happen one after the other in the process, I mean, in succession or progression. So what I want to say is, if you want to lose weight, first make it clear for yourself that you are responsible for the way you look today. Don't blame your genes, don't blame someone who fed you, don't blame your parents, don't blame your friends with whom you hang out and with whom you ate so much food. So don't do that, because once you do that, you have just lost the power of doing something about it. When you take complete responsibility, you also give yourself a chance to do something about that. When you subconsciously, or say when you consciously accept that it's not your fault, but it's someone else's fault, that you are in this place for the for the thing. So it is not gonna help you, and it is not gonna take you somewhere. So the moment you understand and accept that you are in this current situation because you have never made time for exercise, you have never focused on the way you eat, you have never prioritized your health, and you have never tried of thinking about healthy food and everything. So take responsibility for the place you stand currently, and after that, what thing need to be done will be projected in your mind eventually. But in the first place, if we start if we stop accepting the thing, like we are not responsible for the stuff, then no solution won't be possible for us. Because if the problem is if we understand the problem is done by us, or say the mistake is done by us, we will be doing something to rectify that or make it correct. But if we keep on blaming some other person, we will also keep ourselves off for exploring the solutions which are already present, which we already know. So stop blaming the external things or the things out of your hand, and start accepting and take responsibility for the place you stand currently. Because I used to do the same thing. I used to blame my studies, and I used to blame my time I don't have, and I used to blame my relatives who said all those mean things, and my friends who didn't make fun of me and my friend, but who used to say things behind me. So I used to think in that way. I used to get more stressed because of that, and I used to eat more, even more, because of to overcome that stress. So it would be absolutely a messy thing if I blamed them, because it was my mistake in the first place. And the moment I made myself understand that it's my mistake, solution eventually appeared into my mind. And what would be those solutions I'll be changing, I'll be dealing, and I'll be discussing in the future podcasts. So the first step, if anyone asks me what is the eventual or say primary step, obvious thing which we have to understand before starting our fitness journey, or if we want to lose weight, or if we want a healthier version of ourselves, is take 100% responsibility. That is only gonna give us results and nothing more. So I'll be sharing my fitness journey. How did I lose the 25 kg mark, which is really a great thing for me right now. I'm really proud at what place I stand. I'm damn sure if you guys work on yourself, you can also reach your goal weight, and you can be the healthiest version of yourself. You can love yourself. That doesn't mean we didn't love ourselves when we were overweight. Maybe we loved ourselves, but not as much as we love when we do something which is good for us. Because I don't think we love ourselves, or say we don't find it guilty when we had those extra piece of pastry which was not needed, even after we had almost the food which is almost up to our throat. So it is a guilty thing. It is a very problematic relationship most of the people who are overweight have with food, which is not understood properly. So it's it's actually, to be frank, it is obviously over theorized and over complicated, which is frankly damn simple. And I'll be sharing those simple tips, not only just which I experienced or which helped me, but also from the best books, best authors, and best research studies that have been done all over the world. I make sure you'll be getting all the best things, but remember, no one can do your push-ups. That means no one else can do your work. You have to work for yourself, by yourself, and on yourself. Only you can do that. I can just guide you, but I want to make it clear, I can just be a compass and I can guide you which things will be giving you good results. But just listening and thinking that I already know these things wouldn't give you any kind of result. It is only that if you work on the thing, and if you start doing push-ups only, you can you can start getting results. That's the way it all works. So it isn't a one-way kind of communication. I just want to make that thing clear, because I was a similar person sitting behind the YouTube screen, in front of the YouTube screen, and I used to see so many people who have lost weight, and I used to think it to myself, I know all these things, but trust me, I never did them. So what was stopping me was I didn't take the responsibility. I'm really damn sure if the moment you start taking responsibility for your own self, trust me, you have discovered the best truth in the world, not just related to your mind and your health. It's not just for your body, it's the universal truth that you are 100% responsibility for what happened to your mind, body, and your thinking. So I just want to end this podcast over here, and I would really encourage you guys, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section below. I want to, my whole and soul aim is to spread this awareness as much as possible to as many people as possible. The things which I discovered, the things which really changed my life, and not only that, I want the happiness I'm currently experiencing, the people who are not okay with their body, and I want the people who are not able to lose weight since so many years. I want them to realize how easily and in the best and easy way they can lose the weight. But it is gonna take time. But for the first thing, to end this podcast, take 100% responsibility. That is what I wanted to share in this podcast. Hope this podcast was helpful. If so, give this video a like. That will encourage me a lot, and share it with someone whom you know that is suffering with this weight issues and overweight issues since so many years. Because this society currently where we live in is flooded with overweight individuals. That's their not alone their mistake, but it's also contributed to the environment we currently live in. But the moment we start taking 100% responsibility, only we will start taking steps to do something about that. That's the intention I started off this podcast. So start taking 100% responsibility, and I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye.